for number 4. Lentre who see NDC for I say create, loot, and share. And only NDC for you. So you can't compare our governance to this of NDC, that of NDC, because we are far good management of the country than NDC. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is very genius under this fourth republic. No vice president than Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Ghana for sure Bawumia must share it. This will be a choice about many president. See who? I'm telling you, Bawumia is obeyed by God, not a human. Who need power granted. But no katakata because of belief in it. Inshama Allah, we are boy now on my home. Criminal business as usual. Now you see a politician. He's an appointee from nowhere. So it means he's somewhere. She can be a financier daughter. She can be a penny big girlfriend, and a man appointment. So she don't think she don't even know the political terrain. Uncle Choboda, Mary Isino, already knows her nature, Umwadia. Okay. Oh yes, Umwadia, Subai said you say, when the day you age, 3 zone, any position kitwa. I did ordinary, you not party, or Breno, the party back. As soon as I do the sooner a concert party, as soon as I know, yes, I didn't be there once a month, unless I'm caution. Okay, who will be the car? You know this on phone. Why are you selling it? Shouldn't be saying acting as I who acting. Say how so far sorry LGBTQ and then another dog go for this rise. So you are women of God now who can't once in those days. I'm sorry, no one can once. Some of the West journalists are Captain Smart. Or few so be Captain Smart. I'm telling you.
I was telling Mwakaba Ediba at Sija show, so no one to say a jet to at all, and then the aggressive sellers and many honorable Farouk and at Nazi, Yabi and Commonia, also a my Ghana, and you listen to Kunyania Gengen, who send a day and may a bit me upon and to my part a different and some like the same year that pass by Baby General was I did say, well, will shame me, so can you we are not free and a baby do me do so. Ghana for HS assign Abaden then also and come free Abemo air by energy minister HS and you do so and names no transformers be and a whole archive transformers no ayada. It is already any will so then they are almost a transformer and see any who second no airborne any press person a better create the enche a betrum edia for and dance so we be over social media so they won't say honorable Julius Debra 20 years and John 11:35 and Jesus wept amen we and Julius Debra wept amen in any this year what say I was sorry them who at the Maya Mary I was in someone who can edit a Pentecost chairman sans and like saying you know and yes who could never be the who come to come home near come honorable Pabana and Pokemon officials and I have no near subscribers and say I know I saw the door of the council and then after me something when the first person here was a bit canker. Honorable, Aquaba, maybe I will call.
I don't mean that I don't actually.
Yes, the campaign so quickly.
So a crack, and Yami didn't pass away. And you saw a campaign as a share party.
Okay.
And I'm JFK, General Secretary of the party, MPP, or to Tumia Senator Party, Papa Dinaso. Now, Eddie, I trained NBC for now. So I've been so me. Then go at the inspiration home idea. The 2 months from India, so Nagana for any papa so far, how far? You wouldn't say so far, how far? You but never say give time some time.
Okay.
Yes, now time now. This so far, no, they have before they make them come. The dia and so I say, but to train them, see, no much you do not say out to be done. And I didn't draw a ton of this when you are saying a toward there. And try NBC for Kuchidima Ghana for toy, and then and any more and then in was baby. And here the MPP, junior, share. I mean, here incoming first vice, national first vice, and I'm watching Henry and I'm watching lawyer, and we are watching. Let's say before an Abi, and I'll be you see, I'll call national first vice chairman. Let me say, I granted up Wayejuma from youth organizer. They are more emphasize rich experience, and continue fee. Let's say party for. Who can go do in America? And I be a some party, it was some pass will be awfully die piano or be from opposition, be about power, sir, the bin there. You can be a new announcement, the be as first vice chairman. Now, experience now when you're party, no on Fangina party, Nick Fapition, on Famboa party. Let's say people now. They do so hard to treat a yama. me general secretary Abojuma, the maintaining JFK. Now, young father the bulldozer, Moses of our time, Moses Abo, and Ra was starting it all, oh, Greater Accra, and Ra, only I was for any, saying, colleague, only Mushia, only Mudi, come of fine, or the money, or the minister doing to me, only Mudi come up. The post up on one be a branch naturally, so a leader or drum, organizer of Greater Accra, inshallah, numbers to rise, no, very easy. I mean, Chris Lloyd, or no super for national organizer, national youth organizer, sorry, or a deputy national organizer, but he's coming for national youth organizer. See, as never are, Obekita anyone from the Jensen Giants, nobody telling me for Greater Accra Mandela, the Greater Accra Mandela as regional youth organizer, non still affairs, and from my Nasara for Amoru Moazu, Isaka Ponanta, or for national Nasara organizer, Sabeya. The party in the Bay to me, Quaco Enima, they are called or Kodinako, inshallah 2028. Senator Nabi don't go podcast, the battle is the Lord. Still, the battle is the Lord's.
Sad baby, just all one and a bit, if just and a bit, that's all more on any more air, the one you're not friend now on Fanny and the other, if you look at baby, and a be a foul to say, send your company man is answering their company.
And no one said, because you can be anyone answering, you can be able to announce. Excuse me, see, so when you should go down for, and I get 2 million, you should forget to me. No, you're 2 million, that's an okay. It's 2 million, therefore, get the name and it to me. 2 million, so 2 million are different thing altogether. Because it will be, you can be a new one. You say, woman to me, and no, pay to me, or me. But woman to me, also, call you mouth. Money to me now, also, call you, but the and I am the and I know by chain, and I was saying, one money to me, so I'm parliament, no shame around mouth. John somebody no chain, and never look at around mouth. The woman cousin Nabi is a very nice gentleman, and Nabi is a very nice gentleman. And Nabi is projecting himself to help the party. So because my friend one for national organizer near market one. Okay. So national organizer, you want to get it freely. When Nabi chatting, we are having no high, no addition. So I don't know why people are complaining. Or you are responding to calls or responding to chats. So more chats by their own uncle. Okay. I mean the chat or respond. Who am I? But when you chat, no one respond. So Nabi, we should give him another chance. Now for which ideas, which experience, no. From the board party no my because the man had been continuing a whole lawyer and I be my Bobby Ogunde, why you organizer, be organizer. It's all solid, sir. So youth, no organizer, no on a pressure. Okay. It's up to me first around anymore. He said, what was like you are done? To be the first vice now. Just the first vice is moving also. We are still in affairs of the party. You are not doing any practical work. But with the youth and the organizer, they are practical. If you are also practical, it's a bit number theory not to me there. He's a whole lawyer and he can handle affairs, the national first vice affairs of the NPP. So we are working for the number. Inshallah, you will be. When we need the first vice, national first vice. So you feel now this is a nice person.
What's so be an name, when they play to me, they are done for sending you, Democrats and warm room, on the bed that is me among.
The Casamra, you are giving Mumbre. Okay. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, the whole Ghana start now. You can't see me, Dr. Baumia. Okay. If you are your mom, penny got to Squana, because you couldn't be one, Baumia will be a son. You can't tell. Yes, I'm telling you. Mamma can't tell you, but I mean, 2 million materials see and 2 million also. Baumia will be a son because why your vice pay? Baumia, your vice pay. Oh, your vice, then pound workers of their man Ghana for and there, you double in India. Your movie. You say, hey, boss, and somebody go call to somewhere and say, yeah, that's what we ate. Yes, but Baumia countless. Baumia buy. This is the first zip line system of the buy, and then this is for say 3, I cut 3. Stations near 6, and then this is for say 3, I cut 3. Baumia Savo Jumano, Baumia and Sano, Mr. Digita, then Sano Jumano. The nonsense in the finest. Ambulance 300, almost 200 pieces of the and then I got 191. Baumia Sano Jumano, well finished ambulance. I go almost Baumia, ambulance, Baumia. Baumia Sano Jumano. And then not countless. Then I can't amount for their Bromo. Baumia said they be made no ordinary Ghana card. Ghana card, no, and then it's SIM embedded. And apart from that, you say ECOWAS. So maybe no business, no more francophone countries around us, no. Mommy, the whole West Africa. What is about five countries when they come off? They can deny French in Kwa. And even the South and the business, those days better credit. Who also not credit what need that. Then they will get Ghana card fast, swiftly know your business. But then you know about Sanoduma. Now say Van der Poel, former MP for Ododio, all can say, Baumia created Jumama NDC4 because of drip. Who got each district? Drip review. Some drip officer now also a drip director. Drip director won't go for one as 7 years. So it tells you talk about Baumia. He's very genius because of when you are a sort of massive damn flavor. You two run materials, you can't try with deal really to make kind of material in Jamaica. Would you have for fire under this fourth public? No vice president and Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Ghana for sure Baumia much shady. I'm telling you.
Yeah, that's a Ude Sanchi Mono Abana. Honorable one they won't stand in position here.
Because 21
Okay.
and always say, no opponent feeling it, no contest feeling it. Oh, because of Bantan now, Tom, CBC, the agent, on a minute contest. Oh, it's a for organizer or Kangu Central. Okay, no organizer. Ma, open long serving deputy youth organizer in the region. I'm the dean of the youth organizers, deputies. And I'm here, I'm sure if a young youth was several constituencies more check it's the end, they say, I'm and excuse me to say, because my check to Monto, my check the watch up of nephew. Because Nanado started politics at the age of 20s. At 72, will be the president. It's a watch out, now, bra, but nephew, Madame Minia, you find the politics. Near only Monday, no go to near yet, only any year. And the politicians will have numbers behind you, especially those positions now. Youth organizer, no. Except don't go a chance or about. Who don't need them and they forget. After we need elections about criticism. They have the numbers behind you. And so, like you said, then a fair day. No opponent have no co-elections. Why deputy youth organizer? And the same, the same thing twice. So it tells you, the master of suffer. Why they give a team in camp? On your video, because on your video. In this, I'm a bread and our bread and our. Obia some party no obia bre yempo ya bre si omo so some campaign message no na mo njaka ye ko mo some party a ye gusu some party jumma no wo form no constituency of almost 25-30% zongo dominating in the constituency na telling me so for bia on language is 2 and 3 Debbie make I be make house and can crime you can send make cause be best 7 minutes na make so I suit this position. So maybe anybody who's watching us online, that's when you can pay central. There was a number your word. And excuse me to say. And then you don't go on and you can go. Yes, your post school in the Miaba about Miaba, inshallah. The day I say, so you're a credition. The day you about Miaba. Or that's what we say, you can't tell us about me there. You different be able to tell us about many presidents. You see who? 2020. I'm telling you, Baumia is obeyed by God, not a human being. Okay, that is 2020. What do you for no motion? Me say, one more. Do you for me ever can say Baumia the president? We are seeing who? You catch it. I'm who ni power branch anymore. Okay. I'm who ni power branch anymore. But no katakata because of me funti. I can't say Baumia will become president tomorrow. Okay. And I want to tell you guys on the president. We need to see. Okay. Another day, another day, another day, not the president, and particularly the president, and some please, and we are not the president. Inshallah, Yami or boy, now, or my own. Criminal, but yes, business as usual. We don't religiously do these things. But I don't know why people are holding front for. What is their problem? We want a unifier, somebody who is a team player. But we are cut across everywhere. Ono new asori oni mokemo. When you say a man penny or a man penny, there is no more beer. Near about Christians for. I don't think I won't be a Christian for me, but I'm Christian for. So inshallah, Baumia is ordained by God to become a president of this very state. And inshallah, one day, the bishop can say, hey, Allah is who of him power. That day will come. Inshallah.
And Allah have radio call social media so Ghana for radio, traditional media, and come Ghana for born and unobeyed. Almost a central Bible for and John 11:35 and keep this nephew. Let the honorable Deborah Asher because of Apusu apopacho na Ghana for say NDC for chese ampa woman se sam mama baby
no remember I was
to do for
this mesro me no be politician I like it mama tell all say there so only you call deep intellectual communication your persuasive means of doing things now you say you should oh you should
papa be swing
mommy and he was persuading the pastor man is so smart who's one for the serious crowd he was just looking at him
oh sir
then you only some for say if the word if
say
if yes say what's the do at the pacho say the pacho mommy tell you Mary is still a politician. He's an appointee from nowhere. Okay. And I'm telling you, even NDC apparatus, they are too formal.
Oh, sir.
Yes, so we are NDC, they are too formal, sir, and never go to me. So it means he's somewhere. She can be a financier's daughter, she can be a penny big girlfriend, and a man appointment. So she don't think she don't even know the political terrain. Uncle Yesuda. Okay. It's a man appointment. Of the father.
I said, you be answer the baby catch you will. You'll be at the front line. I'm here who say, well, yeah, you must have when you're appointed. And we should trade what?
My main thing I will back front line after winning election and give respect to who respect is due.
Okay.
I'm over here to go excuse me to someone young pass for.
Okay.
They said it was a phone they put to me. That's what they're telling us. So what would them grounds now we man who they pass in India and they know their own count. They did that. And they can the friend is saying, Mary is already knows a nature of Mwadia. Okay. Oh, yes, from Mwadia, Subana said, saying, when the day in the village.
Only personally,
Mommy, I don't need to see her personally. But in the general, the bounce of Martina, Cocoa looking at Kaka. Thank you. So, Mary is somebody, so who you want at the same time, a position of Falafel in the position. Free zone, any position kitwa. I am ordinary, you party near one brother, your party back. All the more be on your party near. It tells you where she's coming from. When Mary is acting, the conduct, no. John Dramani Mahama said the conduct, no, yes, I don't know. And I'm going to punish you. Where is the punishment?
So it's a more Senka. Oh,
yes. This was among countries. Among them say, Mary, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, capture and say, about appointment, we then declare assets, or declare the assets. Mary is among country me, say, among country, we should say easy. Among country me, Farouk say, Mary, we see and declare the assets.
Okay.
Yes, the asset declaration could be brain. John Dramani Mahama was trying to brainwash Ghanaians. He's trying to be like a snow, like a saint who has arrived in this country, but we know his credibility. We know what John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, stands for. So, some child that crown and put that day, obviously, very nine. You want track. You want track. He can be there. He can govern Ghana for an effect. And I'm going to go to black and white. So, if that's what they want, young come, a young woman. So, look at the year, the 2028, the mission when you very. I'm telling you, Ghana we are no show say ya. See how many Haiti, Chemi institutional, Mama Leka. What you know, Maduka, Miti or the Muka, because like the Obiame, like the 28%, Uyame, Dimson Levy, Uyame, Mitofuela, Uyame, there were taxes. So, how do you take Dimson Levy? No one said that G wants to be 1 liter, 1 gallon of petrol, or 2 forces. So, the petrol again. So it tells you that the money Mama Ghana will be any day on the car, on the baby and slogan the coffee. Okay. So all vice president, on the Airbus coffee, or maybe president, or the Doomso coffee. You see how they are the car, and the coffee.
You never do so because sadly you will say a portion of a person more action. They say MPP for more sharing and person more sabotage the president because or baby and person will do some target or he also Mahama do something 5 and 6. But can say your man penny John Dramani Mahama and it mammy Mary soon sense and you see a corporate don't be done. Of course, na we see ye abaye amobo na sendwe mu yenyi na di yem pamono chama wontini etigana ha say forest say kwaye mane beto bonze so media ni ade video so fa wo but mampani ba bonze be kire say chama wontini wonye hwe sa abre no wontini aka bibia nche na we see de na oye ya galamse ho asema no mo fa mo na sendwe
mame so we don't catch you say chama wontini say forest sinu who a whole forest, the commission by Ben Mahama before we came to power. The commission man, everybody pokot in the New
Okay.
So Mona and was said nobody has entered in the forest. Now tonight telling us tonight forest near reserve, that is it. I will be any more mining. We have a lot of mining who are coaching. So now how many we are a Suban and yet who get Juma, but we are Suban. Suban saying insane. And a mammy would to be some of food. Let me buy the power choa. Me, there's a bar now, I'm a original in this over.
Okay.
I have to be part of the pleading. Even Casanova, men say, Mika, as soon as I will be a concert party on the as soon as I know, yes, I didn't be young once a month, unless I'm close. Only who will be the car. You know, this on phone. Why are you serving here? Why are you in the extent that you chief of staff? I'm going to be saving you birthday.
Sa wo babone a wo ye penifo sa wo babone o te obi adinka enti wo na ye penimu na ni pebu na be mama na no apotra sofo na wo no penimu na papa che wasenka ne no
na me enchebu what Jesus did na enchebu and leadership because what's coming come with the lady in question.
Okay.
Onu so nka ko bi number na na nu ton emphasis was saying now right.
Apostle Rick Nyameche.
Apostle Nyameche we dey don kutumpo no nunko bunyensu.
Okay.
No yeah na dey we go actually apostle ni ko bi no get besu. And baby. What they did over there is a comedy.
Okay.
I'm telling you, concept. Concept. That very lady should come and well apologize because Pentecost for those. Now, but you know, say, "Oh, sorry about," and a friend saying, "Bakuno, very saying, former chairman, no, former chairman of the NDC, no." For some people, now, no, from the chairmanship in Semono. No, what do you want to say? One guy forget is a crocodile donor than I don't go that be life. No, man, we're real. I have two of the concept acting. Acting, acting.
You see, I come.
Shouldn't be say acting as I who acting. The winners of the people started crying with me. Who started one, the tears come naturally. And then we say soon. Yes, they are all will be acting with your that's what them to realize he's crying. Listen to me. As soon naturally, if you are crying, your facial expression, actually, and tears never back, not back, and you know tears never. So more by acting there, they say to go my side. Yes, look, I'll be on board. So no, they're acting on. So minister uncle Pachowa and the rest of the in alcohol. Again, Ankasa to Uncle if Uncle can if war, no principles war, the Duma with most of penny mass. Timonto. So I must say, this in your party, papa. And this in your party, papa. No whole chief of staff, Cotina, or so for any man. Nipana accomplice, Nipana doesn't be a town Ancasenio. The Pachowa is if set must say, and I said, will say. My young dear, and I'm a customer to them. Baby, and yet to tell you, I may, Miss Adekasa, meaning so that she will get you need the I can't tell. If Shaffer must say, I know complete. Yes, some will say, so be say, some will say, and yes, and you're not as if, and Shaffer must say. Into what they did over there, a comedy, acting. Jesus went there to act on behalf of the lady. Meanwhile, supposed to come there with the lady, for the lady herself. To openly apologize. If possible, she get down there and hold the man's legs. And I mean, no panic. After all, you're bad. But I was it. But what for a movie? Okay. There is a position that I want to have a phone. Excuse me to be some phone. Baby, anything paying for them. When you are saying that I'm saying, I saw from paying for. Already, as long as I attack and this for, and we say a grassroots matter. Why you want that? To go to the economy. Sabre,
former presbyter Reverend Manti Wababeche said, "Woman surumo amanyɔfoɔ no ne maame ka yɛ sɛ apostolic nyame na akɔka wei na maame ababe na ɛno no ma asɔfoɔ no emu woyɛ ne enya a wɔde ka wo sɛ wei no yɛ war between asɔfoɔ and politicians and because some people asɔfoɔ no wɔ influence wa ba yɛ so asɔre te sɛ Pentecost anya asɔre ketewa enti ne maame yɛ in a way sɛ apostolic nyame kora ka sɛ wɔn kasa hwe a betimi affect NDC kwan so ɛna Reverend Martin so gaba beto so sɛ mo amanyɔfoɔ no mu nso nti no ne ɛkeka kɔ enye hu fa ma mo asɛ gradually no mo ma asɔfoɔ no bedi mo ho yawa be affect politics of Ghana.
Mami, NPP ni sorry, enko tam suffer. I will set the right question. Timasami you, excuse me to say, excuse me to say, okay. You were suffering the issue when we have ways and means of talking. There is a communication. It differs. Okay. It depending the angle you are coming from and how you approach. Until you suffer the behind say they are all true kwa what to money suffer. But we have people who are we got a customer. We are suffer we deal money. We mind. We are now also for nobody than the president. We would never the president. Now what do you suffer some home? Until it tells you say we are not in banter with the pastors.
Okay.
No, capital no. And he said also for cancer man. The lady don't have that right to push English words, and as you push me, can say on to full man, you can run and go in the coming politician. On to full man, baby. That one say queer. That one say queer. Who should see you in the next 10-15 minutes? Madam Busha say I want to meet you. And then alone that two nana you by fee or boom. Now so for the count begin at them. In the other matter, we are not in contest with them.
Okay.
We are not in contest with the public. We can't. We to me cry. We are a politician. Excuse me to say, politicians they throw half. Mama say throw half. Na kind of half. No way in power. No. There is no way you compare man of God to a politician. Man of God is way ahead of politician. Say you nyame ni problem boy oba o man mo ha. This is your mama so witness here. But always remember the country in prayers. Mo buy more man ni ade. Nti so wo nya to me nya kwan. No be be man so. Don't see yourself as a superhero. No. Man for that table aji man is you answer who be the president no. So respect the clergy. Respect asofo. Yeah, the men who is everything I always say asofo sorry say LGBTQ and then another talk for don't they should rise. They should start talking.
Okay.
Because LGBTQ na jinsimu. Obi enu wa ko gina kwa LGBTQ. But in Nigeria they exist. They are in the system. They have their offices near their operate. So the men of God now who can once in those days. I'm sorry, no one can once because also for your lambast in see. And then this time no count. Another good stone no can the lambast. And then no can. So it tells you that you know only natural or can no correct. So mine no else in key. The book is 2030 very important. So these things should not manifest. And why has or mine?
Okay.
You're important so and then soon I go one city. You're important so I can say I'm going to about 55 cities. It tells you that see the men of God are talking, they know what they are seeing within their prayers. So for the time, I will say, upon fire, each one of your father I'm saying.
Okay.
Then the side effect, no side effect is that the commoners, young supernum. And I didn't grow a very student acting by force and my animal, the before we are here. Cancer and kidney disease are by now, and yes, so I am here. And more anticipated bunch of quiet to a mining dead and so it tells you that the country is not safe. That's why some of the men of God, the true men of God, are talking.
Okay.
The true men of God are talking. Omokasa, because of an account, you got to turn account to your Kasa baby, or better because of your papa.
That NDC force a new doomso naba a transformer and a woman ACS, Mose doomso.
Mammy, I buy the book to Chino.
Okay.
I was a NPP, the good managers of the country. And I don't work for the boss, no. Mama see what I'm married. What up then the car powers and then they. What up? A mumbo and the also some can say. When Kufuor came, honestly, we lose the board. It's the other 2 quantum of megawatts, and then the book has a megawatts, can say. Yes, so a week, I say, young to in the account. All we have to do is manage and manage it well. Because your countries are more light.
Okay.
Your country, I'm saying, two grand. Any Burkina will say, in those days, I don't know whether still Burkina like them. Now we get it from this very, we are planting the idea of each. No, would say, yeah, but they are coming. And you can't become but good managers. John Dramani Mahama is excellent to get to say, also would do so, also, so would do so, and so far. It's not about the solving, it's about the management.
Okay.
It's about how you manage it that sustains life. And I'm going into that, let the machine say answer our total replacements. That's why the last year of our governance, 2023-2024, the energy minister by then, Napo, was telling Ghanaians, say, extensions, extensions, expansions, building plants, new plants, every light making a gymnasium. Into the guys say, you see, so because they say, but this very time, Mammy, you so. Because
the money do so because Momo didn't say
the constituency, you move more, for instance, you need other plants.
Yeah.
You move your transformer with more.
Okay.
So, see, changes of transformer. You move, I'm telling you, and then the light of me. It's not 50 lights in buy. No coffee better lights in buy. Thank you. In this very case, we don't see maintenance or more yet. Mammy light it, man, own to me. And doing so has been John Dramani Mahama's branch. I know the out to me free home. Jim so John Dramani Mahama branch. But I don't go for the cars and be during the time I like to say rough. No, but you're gonna force it. Many time, Jim so ember, but Jim so is the tip of John Dramani Mahama. Remember, I didn't show no, but so no, not there. Jim so the only answer. And only one passes to be able. And over Jim so 16 months. Jim so started getting the amount for cost. I started complaining. Costo Niamano. So it tells you that do something there. Sika Etua energy sector. And say you enjoy do so. And say no only before I went free to me so you see electrical transformers near there a jar port. A car home say here and there. Energy minister and the casa here. So actually Osuwe. Into who ya about say na what now money imagine same answer. Because of what transformers. So it tells you that it's about the management. It's not the very money people now but how you manage the little you have.
Okay.
Yes, how you manage it, how to power it with crude. Yeah, getting but the NDCs are squandering the state's money. Which 28% of electrical tariff at Tibuno. GG. 1 liter, 1 cedi na edi counting na no this can you for the mama
na no ye hu se eja ato akosomo emu a e ship baba sabia no ka say so the energy minister John Jinapo CEO ba from the Ashanti region we na say one na chen kakra na omuni mu hwimu Captain Smart say NPP for na mo sheda na chi o pese mo di win votes 2028
mami
ada na ho yesa
mami so for the west journalist Captain Smart or so bia Captain Smart here. I'm telling you, listen to me. Let me tell you. How can you criticize somebody? How will you evidence? Then I will date in our church. You see, some people are doing this house in the case we know the NDCs will do so only strategy. You will not come on 3 months.
But enya one so kakra say ye to abani wie because ye be to abano NPP for more the campaign. Mahama we win. Oh, Mahama ba dum so be ba Mahama ba dum so be ba. And a mampeni Mahama ba ye the first month name ye light of the kakra said do so na ban and also Ghana for the NDC we are no be they say NPP NDC Mahama 60 up because I say NPP from to say most sabotage no and then we call from kakra and I say yes say who do so be no enye one what kind of coincidence ana
no one everything about we need to say in castle
okay
it's also be show no ya on back.
Okay.
Whoever is there doing that, you have the country at hand. And when we say money in the crowd, so be so Mamua, other people come out now, Captain Smart to become full or dinner. On cousin to be a for my own. I don't need evidence, no, you can then move now. Captain Smart, just switch.
Okay.
Or you're not there to come. Yeah, great deal, because only have a trainer stomach and one for one. Stomach politics, and one see, or no one political seasonal journalist, or political party journalist, or no, we are come mind. Kuma party. Yes.
Everywhere now come on the now you're journalist.
Mammy, I'll come out of one so.
Atamanya Bobo Mahamachi 2016 as an Akufo-Addo back up.
No, enya ubeye na buy it so no want to manage affairs so we because buy be our poor.
Okay.
They share a party. They need time for NDC for. Let me say do so much me so let me see enye machines to how to manage. How to manage the affairs. Enye man we have the men we have the where are the men in NDC who can manage the energy sector? They cannot manage the energy because I'm telling you, the amount this is our energy when you are quarter and timer and the Ghana be any heavy. In your quarter, 28% increment from one visa Ghana for come almost 1 liter, 1 liter, Ghana for come almost I did do so levy, Ghana for come money just with e-levy and bet tax. There is no problem.
Okay.
And with the taxes we are talking about, only 1 cedi 1 liter don't pump a bro e-levy no so. 1 liter 1 cedi 1 cedi the 1 liter 1 cedi no any e-levy never pay 3 cedi na pay. So you can't compare our governance to this of NDC, that of NDC, because we are far good management of the country than NDC.
Okay.
Yes, international. Sansas Captain Smart in some can do on my evidence. And now there is that on the like me, so no problem.
Okay. So the northern sector energy minister starts install transformers Libya was say no eba beso dum sono and wafe ene obaba addressing nation no ewo dum sono development as agreed e wo maye e dey na wo Susanna say what are your expectations from him?
My best expectation is on my timetable wasa.
Oh
yes, on my timetable wasa. We see on my timetable because madam last within this week madam like 10 times. A corner about pre no food pre sa anti who honor of the light is so who cannot change the good me never say the good. So in this very case tells me say who dey me say the year moon you deny play. We can't be prophets of doom because we are in opposition. No, we wish the country war. A person of mind connected. But us in the people over there can do the right thing for the country to move. And only answer. But the one they are so among more so wherever we ended it up, you have to continue from there. They do it now. But who is there? So who didn't you are who buy us as an answer now? We are calculating for 5 days or 3 days. Now, sir, you didn't throw away. And told me, say, Yaka. And is the one throw, put it throw the king. We have to stay with him. So it tells you that, yeah, before you are Padaya, and what's your Magana for? No Magana for you. A sign that 2 year old ones who not any Ghana for DDA. Okay. They didn't go for Sika. The Tamco Coke there were 4.7. 4.7, it goes to 3.1. 3,100. And then to the Beruhi. The same word market, you know. One increase, one decrease, one increase, a decrease. Now one subsidizing waha. Now go for money in Sika. That's how we do it. In the old year, one of us sport journalists say, "Coco, friends say, Coco, then they see you." President we watch our bank go up. Oh, difference. How can you appoint such a president? We see, we can't know. Oh, me see. And then what do you know who is there? Because last meeting I saw, he was having a meeting at the bush. Only go for phone number your meeting.
Someone na go
for me say afei na wako koko ahaban afan. But first na onko ministry no there. Woman back watch the koko do ka tell you pe. Oh, who difference oh. It tells you say he knows nothing about being there for the koko CEO koko but they know the positions now reward koko be own ejuma no. Say me sector flourishing sector dey ask education bomb. Education, but more about LGBTQ account schools more. Health and their low birth syndrome, Asaba. Even children sector go board the go for 6,000 and up to now we go for Danka 2005 which were almost the whole thing is John Dramani Mahama and his government want to collapse the coast sector, never make Galamsey. They believe in Galamsey and Gogo. The NDCs believe in Galamsey and Gogo because a lot of the chunk of the Gogo farmers almost come around Galamsey is. Because we go chop me front na ni ncha the doors dey nkawo the doors nkawo so me talk go Roma bisca me say me go nkawo dey be that amabo go ndo a TikTok am show we go say we go for all YouTube okay e go koko Ghana pride and then no be I need be amaye and this for number 4 so I'm telling you go say let you who see e wo this for ho omo man say number so me say omo go number ku no man say no man Muna muka say Christian for and so ba say ekum asay create loot and share and only NDC for you. So we are telling you some man when the government also to hobby you ma come dey wi who betie no pa so to from aba they will boy your mind men do the individuals ho men do no go to mu ho men do the yankasa ye ho the seven coming of Idi Amin and no we we medamasi.
Honorable, what's your dance? But if we also made us say when you are bringing a dad and out the share, let's also with our comments or comment section hole at the Amami, all the social media handles for you too much. Program we are saying, at Sija will see get you at all the day, you know, and the government, Honorable Alhaji Farouk and I did and common with him at the dark code, you wanted us send it, Macraft.